Hello everyone, welcome to True Salon Education. In this video, I will be showing how to do short layer haircut with very easy techniques and beautiful volumizing output for shoulder length hair. Please to do watch till end to see the techniques, partings, sections and overall output of hairstyle before and after. If you like this haircut, please do like, comment and share with others. So, this haircut suits best for clients who has less volume and who are looking for more bouncy look on crown area and also shoulder length hair. For this haircut, hair texture should be straight or wavy. This haircut gives volume, so not recommended on curly hair. So, let's start. First of all, for this haircut, you need to start with forward graduation cut from front. This haircut creates perimeter to the haircut and decides the final length in front. To do this haircut, you need to take partings and sections. We'll start taking section from center profile to nape area. This section name is profile parting. You can also check in video how to take this section. After dividing entire hair into two sections, start taking section from crown to top of the ears. This section name is radial parting. Now you have divided entire hair into profile and radial sections. Once you're done with sections, make sure the client's body position should be straight, then comb the hair thoroughly at 90-degree elevation over directing towards front and cut it square. Forward graduation haircut creates perimeter towards the front of any haircut and decides the final length at the front. Forward graduation can be done independently by taking diagonal backward section, but for short layers haircut, you don't need to take diagonal backward sections. Instead, you take entire radial section and over direct towards front and cut it square by showing in video. While cutting forward graduation, make sure you don't cut the corners, as it will take the length off and the length would be tapered. Hair that does not come in the section, that means length is maintained. Once you're finished with front cut, take 1-inch profile section from crown to nape area, over directed to crown and cut square. By showing in video, divide and check with your client, which is going to be your shortest point of layer. Follow the guideline and take a section from in between the occipital bone and crown to the top of the ears. Elevation is lifting at 90 degrees straight out from the head and cut it square. Continue doing the same on the sides. Follow the guideline and take a parallel vertical section from below the occipital bone. Elevation is lifting at 90 degrees straight out from the head and cut it square. Continue doing the same around the back by showing in video. Once you finish cutting from crown and back, you also need to give final outer line haircut, which is one length haircut from back. Once you finish with the entire haircut, cross-check the lengths. If lengths are perfect, use heat protectors to protect hair from heat equipments and style the hair. Give the tips and suggestions to client how to maintain their hair on daily basis. Hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share with your friends, and if you are new to the True Salon Education channel, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel for future updates. Thank you for watching.